Alright, hi everyone, Dhanush here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's our workout is all about some chest and biceps. Starting off with some heavy flat barbell presses just to activate our central nervous system. Make sure you warm up well with an empty barbell before starting off some heavy weights. We'll hit around 4 sets on the bench press with an increasing of weight gradually according to your strength. Please no ego lifting, just make sure you go according to your strength. Here I am hitting 5 reps with a 90 kg, slow and controlled form with full range of motion. Bring the barbell right in the medial portion of your chest, take it up, squeezing your pecs and use time under tension. I'm a big fan of time under tension. Make sure you use that thing, you'll have a great benefits in your muscle growth. So in the final set here, I'm using 100 kilos for 3 reps. Make sure you have a spotter just in case for safety, just a gym partner or a trainer who can help you if you can't able to lift the weight up. So we are done with the bench press here. Let's go to some incline press on a machine. The reason I choose a pin loaded machine here is to activate my upper portion, just to isolate, nothing heavy. We have done a really heavy bench press, so we'll cool down and isolate our upper pecs with a machine press. Same formula, time under tension. Just go all the way down, stretch those pec muscles and squeeze it on the top. Perform 3 to 4 sets. And then the third variation here is some heavy flat dumbbell press. I really love these dumbbell presses. It gives a real good stretch and proper contraction on the top, which you don't feel on the barbell. So it's better to incorporate some dumbbell work in your chest. We'll be hitting here 4 sets of dumbbell press. Just go according to your strength. It doesn't matter if it is 20, 25. With proper form, time under tension and your strength. That's all. So a lot of people ask in my Instagram DMs, how do I perform a heavy dumbbell press all by myself? Here you can see, grab the dumbbell, place it on your thighs, take it to your chest and start pressing. This is the formula I use, which really helps without having any additional pressure on the joints and lower back. If you can't do this, just take a help of a trainer or friend. Here I am hitting 45 kilos for 6 reps on my final set. You can even have a spotter to help you when you're going heavy. So once we're done with the dumbbell press, we'll go to a plate loaded incline press. This is my fucking favorite machine. I love doing this machine for my upper portion of the chest. So here you have to remember 3 things while performing this machine. A little arch in the back, as you can see, and the feet should be ahead of your knees. Don't keep your feet behind your knees. Keep your feet ahead of your knees and keep your elbows below your shoulder level, so that it will only affect on your upper portion, not on your deltoids. So we'll end our chest workout with some machine flies, plate loaded machine flies. We'll be hitting around 5 sets of 10 reps with time under tension technique. If your gym doesn't have this plate loaded machine, just use a normal butterfly or a pec deck, it doesn't matter. This machine gives a deep stretch and squeezing option. That's the reason I love this. And keep in mind the same 3 things I said before. Keep your elbows below the shoulders and keep a little arch on the back and feet ahead of the knees. And we're done with the chest workout. Let's jump for some biceps. Starting off with some dumbbell curls. We are performing 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, nothing fancy, just some dumbbell curls and a barbell curls. The reason I'm hitting biceps with the chest, not the tricep, because I have my deltoid and tricep workout tomorrow. So it doesn't make any sense pushing the tricep again today and doing a shoulder workout tomorrow, which emphasizes the same impact on the tricep. So just keep the tricep aside for tomorrow's workout. So done with the dumbbells, now it's time for some barbells. So I am performing some EZ barbells here. If you want, you can even go with the straight barbell, doesn't matter. Just I'm a user friendly of EZ barbells. So perform around 3 sets for 10 reps using the same time on the tension technique. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and signing off.